From the tension when we try to clean something impossible to reach, to the fear of making a mistake when parking, these minor annoyances grate on our nerves. However, have no fear, for in this case the solutions are creative car accessories, made to alleviate some of our driving problems. Now that I've gone through hundreds of online stores to bring you the best car accessories of 2024, we're starting off with a simple yet ingenious product, the Tie-Carve Car Cleaning Gel. Now, I know this product looks like a toy you give to your kids to mess around with, but there is no denying its cleaning potential. This unique slime won't stick to your hands, but it will eliminate stubborn, hard-to-reach specks of dirt that get stuck in your vehicle's tight cracks. The best part is, you can use the jelly repeatedly until it turns dark gray. Next up is Unihimal's SUV camping tent. Not only is this lightweight design your go-to solution for long road trips, but it's also a must-have in every car. It's made with wind and water-resistant materials. Depending on your vehicle's size, it will transform your SUV into a shelter capable of fitting a maximum of 6 people. Forget the hassles of setting up a conventional tent in the middle of nowhere and embrace this easy-to-set-up, one-size-fits-all super tent. The Astro AI Tire Inflator is a compact, must-have gadget for any car owner. This fantastic product is a one-stop shop for all your inflation needs. Whether it's car tires, bicycles, air mattresses, or even inflatable beach toys, just plug the Astro AI into your car and you are ready to roll. What's more, this device knows when to stop pumping, so you don't need to be a professional to get the job done. Plus, it has built-in LEDs to make your workload easier in low-light situations. Transform your driving routine into a futuristic cyberpunk-style experience with a heads-up display. Just fix the impressive display on your dashboard and you'll be presented with standard car data, like your speed, miles driven, and more. The heads-up display also gives you the option to toggle between 12 different possible screens based on your preferences. Thanks to the innovative team behind its development, the transparent reflector screen does not produce double images, even on a sunny day. Perhaps the most daunting task when learning to drive is parking, but with Fosman's Garage Parking Guide, it becomes as easy as pie. While this gadget doesn't actually fit into your car, the number of bumps and scratches it can save your vehicle from is more than enough to consider getting one. With a simple installation process, you only have to worry about following the laser to the right spot you've marked on your car's dashboard. And that's all for the best car accessories of 2024. All the links will be in the description below. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to drop a comment on your favorite gadget.